Ted, this is funny. Still funny. Still and now it's sad.
Hey, Penelope. You sure I'm doing this right?
I think so.
Uh-huh. Does it, look anything like a real rain dance?
I think so.
Hey, Penelope. Have you ever actually seen a rain dance performed?
No.
No?
I've read extensively on the subject. First-hand accounts, theoretical criticisms, anthropological...
Have you ever seen a rain dance?
I've seen a film strip.
Terrific. Look, I should run. I'm getting brain surgery from some guy who's seen a couple episodes of ER. Can't believe this. We've been up here for the past hour making complete asses of ourselves.
What do you mean, we, white man? Hey, Ted. What you doing?
A rain dance.
Dude, that's not a rain dance. That's a fat kid with a bee in his pants.
Look, I highly doubt the Great Spirit is a stickler for choreography. It's the thought that counts.
She's leaving in half an hour. Dude, these are your awesome years. You're wasting them on this girl. This isn't gonna work.
Yeah, I know that.
Well, then why are you doing this?
Because I love her. I love her. I told her that the first night we went out, and here it is 8 months later, and nothing's changed. So yes, I know this isn't gonna work, but it has to work. You hear me, universe? This is Ted Mosby talking. Give me some rain. Come on! Come on! Come on!
Oh, come on!
Pushing the front back into the tri-state area and giving Manhattan one of its worst storms in over a decade.
How about that? He did it.